Hello, 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 my amazing friends. Good to see you again. And yes, you are amazing. So let's review why. Let's talk today about innate intelligence, the inborn intelligence of the body. And that started with the spark of life that created you. So you have an ovum, an egg from mom. You have a single sperm from dad, and that sperm happened to be the fastest one because there's millions and millions of, well, we won't go into how that happens, but they come together, boom, spark of life. And there's actually an electrical shift that occurs in that egg as the sperm embeds itself. And it becomes a single cell, and the spark of life, the innate inborn intelligence in that being, that body that's about to form, comes to life. And we are alive, so that innate intelligence knows to take that single cell, divide it into 2 cells, into 4 cells, into 8 cells, 16, 32, and it keeps doing this for about a week. And you get this blastocyst, and they call it a mulberry cell. Why? Well, because it looks kind of like a mulberry. And then about a week after conception, an amazing thing takes place. That innate intelligence in that little set of cells starts to say it's time to differentiate, and you get what's called the primitive streak or the neural streak. And when you look at an embryological specimen under a powerful microscope, it looks just like a little tiny black line, basically. And guess what? That becomes your brain and spinal cord. And then all the other organs grow off of, like roots off of the spinal cord. And it's so amazing. That's why chiropractors say the brain and nervous system is the master control system, because it really is. And then we develop, and 9 months later, the baby comes and we say, oh, now the baby's alive. No, it's been alive since that spark of conception, because the life force in the body is that innate intelligence, the innate wisdom of the body. So other cultures have different names. They talk about chi and ki and prana and life force. But the difference between you and a corpse is you're alive, even though at the time of death, where there's no life in the body, the physical body looks the same. So we like to think of you as being a spiritual being, having a human experience, and the life in the body might be analogous to the spirit, but you always have 100% innate intelligence in your body. But it's not 100% expressed due to limitations of physical matter. We wear ourselves out. So the important thing to remember is to make sure that we're maximizing the expression of that innate intelligence. And that uses the nerve system to express itself. So life in the brain is basically the generator for all the life force in the body, and that innate wisdom flowing down the nerves from above down, inside out. And the only thing that can impede that are stresses to the nervous system: physical stress, chemical stress, emotional stress. We all have that constantly, so we have to make sure that our nervous systems are functioning well. That's the number one reason to see a chiropractor on a regular basis, is to maintain a healthy nerve system, so that your innate intelligence can express itself, and whatever your purpose is on this your God-given purpose on this spinning blue orb is, you can more maximally fulfill that. So that's the story of innate intelligence, a little birds and bees style. So remember, we can live without food for several weeks. We can live without water for several days. We can live without oxygen for several minutes. But as soon as that spark of life is gone, we're gone. It's not coming back. So that's why you need to protect the signals from brain to body, body to brain. We love you. We appreciate you. We want you to know that. This is the Wellness Doctor, Dr. Jeffrey Clark, with light, with life, with love. If you're getting something from these messages that I do every day, be sure to like, comment, and share. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you know next time something's published. Have a great day. Bye-bye.